Easy way to fix Galaxy AI missing from Samsung phone step by step. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. First, go to Settings. Now here you can see there's no Galaxy AI option. I'll show you 2 steps. In the first step, we'll change some settings. In the second step, we'll test device availability. So guys, after going into Settings, go to General Management. Now, go to Language. As you can see, the selected language is English, United Kingdom. We need to select English, United States. To do that, tap on Add Language. First, look through the list. If you can't find it, just search for English. Now you'll see United States. Simply select it. Then choose Set as Default. I'm selecting it from here, and then tap Apply. Now go back to Settings. Go to Software Update. Then go to Download and Install, and make sure your software is up to date. After doing all these settings, restart your phone. If even after that you don't see the Galaxy AI option in Settings, then carefully look at this page and find your device model. If your device is not on the list, that could be the reason you're not seeing the Galaxy AI option. Keep checking for software updates. This feature will definitely be enabled in future updates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.